When deciding on or embarking on a new profession, you're probably always asking yourself, or at least often asking yourself, how much could you, in theory, earn in that role, in that profession? We do often try to say that it's not about the money and there are other things that are far more important. But at the end of the day, if we're being completely honest, the money that you earn is going to be a very important factor in the profession that you choose. And you might be wondering, well, how much can you earn as a CILEX qualified legal executive? Is it a decent salary? How comparable is it with going down the solicitor route? Well, you'd probably be surprised to find out that actually salaries for CILEX qualified legal executives are actually very comparable with solicitors, with newly qualified legal executives earning between £40,000 and £50,000 per year, depending on the location. Naturally, places like London are going to command higher salaries than other parts of the UK. But that, of course, is just that's the base salary. Within a few years, particularly in really competitive and lucrative fields such as litigation, such as corporate law, you might expect that salary to rise to upwards of 60, 70,000 within a few years, and then on to around about 80,000 plus when you have a lot of experience, when you are a specialist in the area. But one thing about being a CILEX qualified legal executive is you are also eligible for partnerships. You've probably seen on films, on TV, or you made partner in a firm, etc. And that's essentially how law firms and accounting firms work, is that rather than having directors and CEOs and those sorts of things like a business does, they have partners in the firm. And you can make partner as a CILEX qualified legal executive. And once you're a partner, you're getting a share of the organization's profits. And so in theory, there's almost uncapped earning potential as a partner. And again, all of this is achievable through being a solicitor, but it's importantly, for the purpose of this video, for those of you that are potentially considering the CILEX route, it's possible on the CILEX route as well. So if you want to learn more about CILEX, you want to learn more about the courses, how you can qualify more quickly, more cheaply than you can qualify as a solicitor, but actually make comparable money, then do follow us and visit our website.